What's up gamers, here's how you can join an archery contest in Crimson Desert. To play this minigame, you just need to find the archery range of the town you're currently in. For Hernand, it's around the northwest side of the town, just next to Lion Crest Manor. To join, you need to speak to the host by holding down your control key and pressing R on your keyboard. You'll then be required to pay a small participation fee to join. The moment you pay it, the minigame will start. When it begins, you need to shoot down the marked planks that appear on random places in the range. The first one to score 10 points wins. Be on high alert and aim carefully to score. The AI opponent on this one can be challenging if you're not serious. After you win, you'll be rewarded double or more the fee you paid. And that's about it on joining the archery contest. Subscribe to our channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for watching.